Uncle Mark here camping. Just got an idea for a short video. You may spend a lot of time adjusting your table here to make it flat and the food doesn't slide off of it, or you're doing eggs, they're not to one side. But what about the campfire? Sure, we've made the table level here, but what about the campfire? It's a stove level. You can see here by the level, this thing is nowhere by any means level. It needs to go way up to about there. How do you do that? All you need is a trusty bottle jack and a level. Let's get started. One more thing you'll need is some type of an axe or something so we can pound the ground, tamp it down once we move it so that fire pit doesn't go back down. Hopefully this little camping hack is going to help you be able to do whatever you're doing with your barbecue there, especially if it's liquids that are going to be sitting in a pan and trying to heat it up. This way they're going to be even in the pan. They won't be sliding around. Enjoy.